So, moving on to Particles and Kinetic Theory, the second topic of chemistry iGCSE. We're going to have a look at changes of state. So, the first thing you need to know is the three states of matter in terms of arrangement, movement and energy, and the interconversions, i.e. how we get from the different states in terms of the scientific process. So, the first state of matter you need to know is solids. You need to know how to draw this particle arrangement, so the particles must be close together and in a regular arrangement and all touching each other. They should also fill the square when you're drawing it. In a solid, there are strong forces of attraction between particles. They are close together and they're in fixed positions in this regular arrangement. And they don't move, but they do vibrate a little. They keep a definite shape and a definite volume. As you heat them up, they begin to vibrate more. Liquids have weaker forces of attraction. They're more randomly ranged and they're free to move. But again, when you're drawing them, don't draw them too far apart and make sure they are all more or less touching and filling the square. They do tend to stick together, but they don't keep a definite shape or volume. That means that they are able to fill any container. So for example, when you pour it into a glass, it fills the shape of the glass. They are constantly moving with a random motion, and as you heat them up more, they expand and they move faster due to kinetic energy. Gases are much more different. They have very weak forces of attraction and they move randomly, free to move and far apart. So when you're drawing it, you want to draw less particles with much more space between them and in random directions. The particles in gases travel in straight lines. They don't keep a definite shape or volume. They always fill a container and they constantly move again with random motion. As you heat them, the kinetic energy goes up again and their pressure will decrease. So now we're going to have a look at the changes between them, the interconversions, the second part of the video. Solids to gases is called sublimation, and the other way around would be deposition. In terms of solids to liquids, it's called melting. The other way around would be freezing, and then when it condenses, it goes from a gas to a liquid, and vice versa, it's evaporation. You need to learn these interconversions, and you need to learn which way the arrows are pointing.